Welcome to another episode on quick revision concepts and tricks. Today we will learn the third and one of the most important tricks which we can use for differentiation chapter, which is called the constant substitution method. Let's get started. The question given is y equal to tan inverse of 3a square minus x by x cube by a cube minus 3ax square. They are asking us dy by dx. Whenever in differentiation we are given a constant in the question and constant in the options, give or substitute any value of the constant in the question and substitute the same constant in the options. Okay, so here what is our constant? A is the constant, x is the variable because you want to differentiate with respect to x. So a is a constant. So what I am doing is I will just give a value 1. If we give a value 1, what will happen is y will become tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. So first option would become basically, so let me just wipe this off so that we get some space to solve. Now look at your first option. So this is my y value basically. Okay, before doing the options, let's differentiate. How do you differentiate this? Basically, this I can write d by dx. If you know inverse trigonometry, tan inverse derivative tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square, I can write it as 3 tan inverse x. It's the standard form. So derivative of 3 tan inverse x is 3 by 1 plus x square, because we know derivative of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now let's see first option. If you give a value 1, 3 by 1 plus x square. Second option, 1 by 1 plus x square. Yeah, instead of a, I am giving 1, right? That was my assumption. Third option, minus 3 by 1 plus x square. Fourth option, minus 3 by 1 plus x square. But what are we getting? Plus 3 by 1 plus x square. So question and option, first option is the answer. So look at this simple step. I'm just giving a value 1. Then I'm converting. I'm using the basic inverse trigonometry formula. I will share this formula sheet in the Telegram group. So please review that sheet wherein we discuss many formulas like 2 tan inverse x, 3 tan inverse x, and tan inverse of x plus y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. All those formulas should come into your mind. So what are we doing? We are just giving a some value in the question, a some value in the option, and then you are differentiating and checking. Simple one step. Very important, because this type of question was asked in one of your previous JEE papers. Thank you for joining the session, and I will be sharing few questions in the Telegram group. Make sure you join that group, and we'll be having a lot of discussions in that group. Thanks a lot guys for joining the session. I will come back with a fresh series in quick revision concepts and tricks. And if you haven't watched, please watch the previous 2 tricks. The playlist has been uploaded in the description below. Thank you everyone.